Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this ACT Premium Cloud tutorial. When you are working in an ACT database, you might have certain things that you want to do that are private. For example, let's say you have a lot of people in this database, a lot of different ACT database users, and you want to make something private. Well, that's understandable. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, I want to draw your attention down to the bottom where it says Contact Access. Let's say this is a private client of yours and you don't want it to be seen or shared with other people. You can make it private by clicking right here. That way, when other people log in, they will not see this. Now, you got this dialog box that popped up, just giving you a little bit of information, so you would have to unrestrict it. Another way to do this, and I'm going to click Close, and I'm not going to make it public. I'm going to click OK here, is to create what are called teams. And teams can have access, and teams might be something you want to do if you have territories. So this is something you can do to restrict what people see when they log into ACT. Another thing you can do is, let's say you want to put a note in, John Chance. Well, if I come up and click on Note right here, the Note dialog box pops up, and I can make this note private. So it might be something that I don't want everyone to see. I'm going to click Cancel. Let's say I want to schedule a call, a meeting, or a to-do. You'll notice right here it says Make Activity Private. So there's a lot of areas in which you can have privacy inside of ACT. Maybe you don't want people to know that you have an appointment with your doctor or your lawyer for that matter. So using privacy is something to be aware of. You'll see it as an option in different areas, and it's something to have a discussion about if you want to learn more about how to manage and protect your data in your ACT database, whether it be ACT Desktop or ACT Premium Cloud. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you being part of this discussion. Have a great day. Bye now.